Hey guys, welcome to ITeePK. Today we will learn the simple steps on how to find a network security key or the Wi-Fi password on your Windows operating system. Sometimes it happens that we connect to the Wi-Fi and we forget the password of their specific Wi-Fi, or we forget the security key of their specific Wi-Fi. If we want to connect any other device with their specific Wi-Fi, we are not able to do that. For that, we need the Wi-Fi security key. First of all, go ahead and check which Wi-Fi you are connected to. In my case, I am connected to D-Link Wi-Fi. I'm gonna get the key for this specific Wi-Fi here because I forgot the password of this Wi-Fi to which I am connected. So on Windows devices, once you have given the password to connect to the Wi-Fi, it saves their specific Wi-Fi password in the network setting. Now let's go ahead and try to get this password so that I can connect any other device to this specific Wi-Fi. Go on the Wi-Fi icon and right click on that and then go to open network and internet settings. Once you are in the setting here, we have to find out the network and sharing center. Let's click on Wi-Fi first, then find out network and sharing center. This could be different from your Windows version, but this will be here in network and sharing center option. Let's go to network and sharing center here, and then under access type and internet and connections, let's go to Wi-Fi D-Link. Once I am in this Wi-Fi, then I could go to wireless property. Then I can go to wireless properties here. Let's open the wireless properties and then go to the security button. Once I am in the security, I can see the network security key here, but this is still hidden. Here we have to click on show characters. Once I have clicked on show characters, I can see this key in front of me. And now I got this password to connect my other devices to this specific Wi-Fi. And I can note down this password for later use. That's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe ITeePK. Take care. Bye.